Hello guys, welcome to TikTok. So in this tutorial, we will see the how to create this object in the SolidWorks. So let's start. So first select this part. So first we will design this base plate of this object. So the length of this base plate is 200 and height is 100 mm. So go to this sketch, select center rectangle, use any plane of this one. So click on front plane and drag the center of this axis, and after that go to the normal plane. So now we'll give the dimension of this plate. So the as per our object, the length is 200 mm and the height is 100 mm. Exit sketch. After that we have to extrude this plate up to 20 mm. So go to the extrude boss base and put here 20 and click OK. So you can see our base plate is ready. So after that, so the length of this part is to 70 mm and height is 100 mm. So just please click this side, go to the normal plane sketch and select the corner rectangle and drag this point of this plate. Just click, yeah. So after that we will give the dimension of this object. So as per our design, the length of this object is up to 100 mm and the width is up to 70 mm. So okay, and click on OK and just exit this sketch. The feature extruded boss base, and we have to extrude this one up to same 20 mm. Just click here the reverse and just click on OK. So in this part here you can see here is a one slot. So now we will create this slot. So the length of the slot is 60 and the width is 10. So so this slot is here. So this just click on this upper side of this plate, front plane, go to the center rectangle, normal to the plane, and just drag the center point of this axis and draw here one rectangle. So as per our dimension, so the length of this one is up to 16 mm and we have to draw here two circles. So center, select the center circle, drag the middle point, just click here. Also same this side also. Okay. So I have to remove this extra portion of this. So go to the trim entities, select the power trim and remove these extra entities. Okay, click on OK. Also, we have give some dimensions. So the distance of this slot is from this endpoint of this object is to 30 mm. So give the dimensions, click on dimensions, select this endpoint and this one, and give the dimension of 30. Okay, exit sketch. So our sketch is ready. So go to the extrude cut and select this up to the surface, and just click the surface of this object and click on OK. So our slot is ready, you can see. So after that we will create this one also. So the diameter of the circle is 30, and the radius of this one is up to 35. So we go to the fillet and select the corner of this rectangle or object, and as per our dimensions put here 35. Just click on OK. So here you can see, and we will create here one circle. So just choose the surface of this object, go to the sketch, center circle, normal to the plane, and just click on this and drag the center point. Go to the smart dimension and give the dimension of this one is up to 30. Just click on OK. After that, go to the feature, extrude cut, and cut this circle. So to the surface, just click on OK. So you can see. So after that, the same part is on this side also. So we will use here, we'll draw this object from this side also by using of the mirror command. So click on the mirror, select the plane, so click on here and just click on the top plane. Go to the features to the mirror. So what type of command you have to copy? So just select this command, just click on OK. So you can see our object is almost ready. So here is a one fillet also. So we will give the fillet. Go to the fillet feature, select the corner of this object and put here the dimension of 20. Just click on OK. Yes, our object is ready. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my channel.